Namaste students. In today's lesson, we will be learning computational thinking for grade 5. Chapter 1, We the Travelers, continue. The first question for the day is, using the digits at the ends of the vertical lines, form numbers by reading the digits from left to right without rearranging them. Which option represents the greatest even number that can be formed? Okay, here we have the digits 5, 8, 2, 4, 9. On the other side, we have 7, 3, 9, 0, 6. According to option A, the numbers are 7, 3, 2, 4, 6. So the number formed is 73246. The second number is 78246. So the number formed is 78246. The third number is 78949. 78949, and the next number is 78946. 78946. Great. I believe that you found the answer, and the answer is 78,949. Where this is 73,000, this is 78,200, this is 900, this is also 900, but here it is 49, where the option D has 46. Therefore, the right answer is option C. I repeat, it is option C. Great. Here we have the next question. A string of digits is given below. At minimum, how many pairs of digits may or may not be adjacent to each other must be interchanged? I guess we need to swap the numbers, the position of the numbers, such that the second largest 5-digit number is formed from left to right. Okay, they have mentioned left, right. Great. So the question is second largest 5-digit number. Okay, first let us form the first largest number. So I go with 76530. 76530. If it is the second largest, then I can go with 765. Okay, as it is the second largest, we go with 76350. In that case, what we are supposed to do is we need to change the position of 7, we need to change the position of 6, and we need to change the position of 5. We need to change the position of 0, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me try with this. First, let me change the position of 0 and 7. So, one move, minimum. Okay, how many pairs of digits must be interchanged? I have done with 1. So now it's like 3, 6, 5. I guess I need to change the position of 0 with 6. So it's gonna be 76305. So two moves, two interchanges. Then now I change 0 and 5. So that's gonna be 76350, where I have done it in three moves, and I go with option B, which is three moves. Great. Student, if there is any possibility less than that, please comment your answer. Thank you. Here we move on to the next question. There is a 7-digit number X in which all the digits are different. Okay, let me note down A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 letters. All are different letters. Okay, using the digits X, two 5-digit numbers are formed. Okay, let me say like A, B, C, D, E, a 5-digit number. A, B, C, D, E, a 5-digit number. Since they have asked for two 5 digits, let the next one be from here to here. That's C, D, E, F, G, another 5-digit number. No digit is repeated within. Yeah, we did not repeat any digit in the same number. What is the minimum number of digits that X, Y must have in common? Obviously, it's 3. So I go with option C. Great. I repeat, option C. And the next question is, a 5-digit number has the property that number formed by its first 3 digits is same as the number formed by its last 3 digits. Okay, I believe it should be something like a palindrome, a 5-digit number. Let me say A, B, C and A, B, C. It's a 5-digit number. So I have A, B, C, B, A. 5 digits are there. And it's very clear. 3-digit number, that is first 3-digit number, is same as the number formed by its last 3 digit. First 3 digit is ABC, and using the last 3 digit, it's again ABC. So it satisfies the condition. In that case, what is the minimum number of times any digit can appear in this? Obviously, it's gonna be 2. So A and A is repeated, B and B is repeated. So A is repeated twice, B is repeated twice. So minimum there should be 2 repetitions. I go with C. I know you're with me. That's the right answer. Option C. Great. Okay, the next question is, which digit appears in the tens place of the second largest 5-digit number? Wait a minute, second largest 5-digit number. And they have mentioned the number using 157, where each digit is used at least once. Okay, you need to just use once. 5-digit number, let me go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. Since it's been largest number, let me say 77751 is the largest number. But the question is all about second largest. Yeah, second largest. So 777. Shall I go with this? I take 1 5, the second largest. Okay. So what's the question? The question is, which digit appears in the tens place? Ones, tens. So it is so simple and clear that it's gonna be 1. Good one. Okay, here we have the next question. The question is very clear. Okay, we didn't even go through it. How can we say it is clear? Let's go through. P, Q, R, and S. P, Q, R, and S. Each has a different shape. Let's assume, like, P, Q, R, S or like four people, four person. Okay. Circle, pentagon, square, and triangle. Not necessarily in the same order. Okay. These four people can have any of these shapes with them. They are arranged as shown below, where the circle is placed at the bottom. Okay, circle is at the bottom, most position. Okay, great. Circle is at the bottom. Yeah, circle is here. S placed his shape immediately above P. Okay, immediately above P. So P is there. After this P, there is S. S placed his shape immediately above P. There are exactly two shapes placed above R. Oh, okay. Then I take R. Above R, there is P and S. And as we know that circle is already the bottommost, which means Q. So which of the following is Q's shape? Okay, and the option for this, I leave it to you. You comment your answer, and I will catch you up in the next session with the answer. Thank you.